Hello everybody, welcome to my English YouTube channel. This is a channel where you can find so many English contents specifically related to how to learn English and how have been English helping me in my English life, in my daily life, in my career, and so many spots. And as you probably already know, I'm working here in Brazil as a safety technician. And today's video will be a video that will show you how to become a safety technician in Brazil. Maybe you were watching this video, you're seeing this video from many other countries instead of Brazil. And in order to help you understand how could you develop your career related to safety technician, I will help you with this video. And to get it started, let's do it, but first I would love to ask you to subscribe to this English YouTube channel, click on the like button, and don't forget to comment below and tell me what do you think about this English video. Would you like to see any other topics here with us? So challenge me by comment below and tell me which type of topic would you like to see me discussing here with you. And if you are subscribed and would love to be here in one of our videos, so let me know here as well in the comments and I will make contact with you as soon as possible. And without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. As I told you today, to help you understand how could you be a safety officer here in Brazil. I know that there are many people all over the world that are a little bit curious about how to become a safety technician and also why should you become a safety technician. I will teach you and I will help you understand those questions. As I already told you, I have been working in this field for more than 13 years already. I became a safety technician in 2013. And I mean, it was a very good time, but Alex, how could you be a safety technician in 14 years, almost 14 years, if you got your technical graduation in 2013? Because I have worked already in the same field in some companies before I got my technical degree. I made my 1 year internship, a 1 year apprenticeship, so where I joined the company to learn how to become a safety technician during my course. And even before that, I've worked for 1 year and a half almost in environment sector in a huge company here in Brazil. So that's why I'm able to tell you that I have been working in this field for almost 14 years, almost 13 years, I would say. Guys, without any more escalation or things like that, let's get started the first topic. Alex, how could I become a safety technician in your country if you'd like to do? First topic will be educational requirements. Of course, it's not for everyone just to become a safety technician. In Brazil, that's not possible, and different from many other countries like the United States. As I noticed, there are many ways that a person or a worker could become a safety technician. I noticed that there will be throughout a lot of safety courses that they can take it, like technical one, maybe engineer courses, and so many others. So there are many fields that they must pursue to become a safety officer, but throughout English studies, throughout classes, and so many other courses. But in Brazil, that is the only way that you can become a safety technician. I mean, there is no other way. You do not just start working in a company as a safety assistant and become a safety officer because you are working for many years there. So that will never happen here in Brazil. We must become a certified technician, okay? So in order to be certified, you must study. The first topic, as I told you, is educational requirements. So which educational requirements is necessary to a safety technician become or start working legally in Brazil as this career? First one, to complete the high school. That is obligatory for everyone, even if you are not pursuing a safety technician career, any other career, it's necessary to complete your high school. Second, complete a technical course in occupational safety, which is called in Brazil Curso Técnico e Segurança do Trabalho. We must complete this one, which will take at least one year and a half and 2 years. Between 1 year and a half and 2 years, the minimum time that you will spend to study will be 1 year and a half. But there are many also courses here that took 2 years to complete it. Okay, that is a course. After that, or meanwhile, I would say, not after that, but meanwhile, during your safety course, during your safety studies, you must to complete and to take internship, I would say. Yeah, I call internship in a company that will help you put everything that you were learning in the classroom in practice. Okay, so you become not just a safety technician by studying, but also by getting real hands experience. You must go to the companies that will accept you. Here in Brazil, we have many opportunities, many open spots on this field, like internship and safety technician. People that are studying safety technician, they must to look for those positions and apply themselves like a job, and they will pass from some job interviews, and if they were what the company are looking for, probably they will get the spot to become an internship and a safety technician. And after that, what should they do? So the first step, as I told you, to become a safety technician, let's review what we already saw here. So first, you must complete your high school. Second, you must take a technical degree here in Brazil, complete a technical course in occupational safety. And the third one, it's not only that, you do not need to complete the safety technician course. Because meanwhile, as I told you, it took at least 1 year, half, and 2 years. You must do your internship in safety technician during this time. Because before you finish, before you got a technical degree, you must have completed your minimum amount of hours of internship. At least 200 hours will be required for you to apply on the workplace in a real hands experience. It's one of the most incredible experiences that you can have. If you join in a huge company or in a good company here in Brazil, you will be able to understand, to learn many good things that will help you in your career. Okay, that is the third point. So first, high school. Second, the technical course. And third, finish and complete an internship, which will take at least 200 hours. Okay, that's the minimum, but you can do 1 year if you want. The company maybe propose you to become a safety internship technician there for 1 year. That would be awesome, because how many more time you spend on the company as a student, better will be for your career. I took 1 year experience, hands-on experience in a huge company here in Brazil, which is called Ferramentas Gerais. If you are watching someone that worked there, maybe be watching me here. Thank you so much for the opportunity to work for you. Let's jump for the third part that we must to have as we are looking for a safety technician. Let's suppose that you finished your high school, you took a technical course here in safety technician, you finish your internship, hands-on experience, and now you got your register, you got a certificate. You are safety technician certified. I'm sorry. So is that all? Can I start working right now, Alex? No, that is not enough. You need to at least one more step to go deeper a little bit more. Because here in Brazil, there are a legal regulatory basement. For each safety technician that we have in Brazil are registered for our laws and fiscalization programs. So we have here, which they call like a Regional Council of Technical Profession. Here we are registered through the Ministry of Labor here in Brazil, I would say. So Ministério do Trabalho, let's suppose. It's called in Portuguese, but I would call it in English like Ministry of Labor or Labor Ministry government that provides to this career to register each one of us and to follow our steps. So each training that we provide, each document that we assign, maybe can be tracked by the government throughout this register. Okay, so you must have your registration number, and that's it. It's a registration number, almost like an ID, before really join into the safety technician life in safety technician career. Okay, but I think that's it. After finishing all those steps that I brought here today, you probably will become a safety technician. But okay, that is a very competitive field. You must be not only one more safety technician in the field, but you should try to be the best, at least the best that you can. Okay, that is my tip for those who are trying and pursuing this career. I'm a safety technician here. I have been working already on almost 13 years, as I told you. But the safety technician is not the only course that I got. I already did civil firefighter or I should say a fireman or firefighter here. Also, I have many other courses. I'm studying English right now, as you can see, but I'm applying myself to environment engineer. I currently study environment engineer, but I'm also specialized in first aid care and height rescue and confined spaces supervisor and so many other things. So safe technician is just the, opens door, just an entrance door. You must do many other things, go deeper if you really want to be one of the best safe technician or the best that you can do as a professional in this field, because you will be caring about others' life. There's no, I should say that is a priceless thing that you can do. So be watching the other safety, the other's integrity is a great job and a huge task. So hope you got it, guys. Hope you liked this video. And if you do not subscribe yet, so please, if you did not subscribe yet, subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell here and let me know here again what you thought about this channel. And if you'd like to see any other talks and me speaking here with you, I'll be free. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. So thank you so much. See you in the next meeting. Have a nice one.